This is Alex. Alex lives paycheck to paycheck. Not in a dramatic way, just the normal way. Rent goes out, bills go out, what's left kind of disappears on its own. Alex doesn't feel broke, Alex just feels temporary, like things will stabilize soon, after the next paycheck, or the next raise, or the next version of Alex. One Saturday, Alex goes just to look at a car dealership. That's how it always starts. Alex didn't plan to buy anything, didn't even clean the car beforehand, didn't tell anyone where they were going, just looking. The salesman is friendly, not aggressive, which somehow makes it worse. The car smells new. The screen inside is bigger than Alex's TV. It connects to Alex's phone automatically, which feels personal. Alex sits down. The numbers come up. The interest rate is 29%, which sounds bad, like objectively bad. But the monthly payment? The monthly payment looks fine. It's only $600. Alex does the math the way everyone does math in that moment. $600 is basically one paycheck, and Alex gets paid too. Plus, Alex thinks, I won't even be paying this for that long, because Alex always assumes future Alex will be richer. So technically this works. Alex signs. No one claps. No alarms go off. The universe does not intervene. Alex drives home in a brand new car. For about 2 weeks, everything feels great. Alex parks farther away just to look back at it, takes pictures, posts one where the steering wheel logo is accidentally visible. People comment fire emojis. Confidence increases slightly. Then the first payment hits. Alex expected that. Then insurance hits, because apparently new cars need better insurance. Then gas, because new cars somehow drink more gas. Alex starts noticing this immediately. Then registration. Then taxes. Then something called dealer add-ons Alex doesn't remember agreeing to. Alex still feels fine. This is manageable. Then a warning light comes on. Alex Googles it. Google says it could be nothing or extremely expensive. Alex closes the tab. Oil changes can wait. By month 3, Alex starts making small adjustments, skipping groceries, skipping plans, skipping sleep. Alex learns which bills can be paid late without immediate consequences. The car still looks great though. By month 4, the late fees start. Not because Alex forgot, because sometimes the money just isn't there on the exact day it's supposed to be. Alex tells themselves it's fine. It's basically a rounding error. Alex becomes familiar with the phrase processing fee. By month 5, the credit card gets involved, just to help, just temporarily. Alex tells themselves this is smart, this is flexibility, this is what financially literate people do. Alex starts moving money around, timing payments, juggling dates, using words like optimize without actually optimizing anything. Alex avoids checking the bank app too often. It feels rude. Then one morning, the car is gone. Not in a dramatic chase scene, no tow truck noise, no confrontation, just gone. Alex stands in the parking lot holding keys to a car that doesn't belong to Alex anymore. Still owes money though. That part sticks around. Broke meter. From this works to repossessed in 6 months. Alex spends the rest of the day explaining the situation to people who already guessed. Nothing about this felt dumb at the time. That's the problem. It didn't feel reckless. It felt reasonable. Alex didn't go broke all at once. Alex went broke in monthly payments. Stay cool. Stay rich. Don't go broke.